what's with YouTubers and puking? Thinking of that, like I never puked on stream. I never sneezed on stream too. Hey guys, I still haven't sneezed on stream. For now. What do you mean? I'm not gonna sneeze, okay? I'm not gonna do an actual sneeze. I'm not gonna actually puke on stream. If that comes, I will there will be an immediate graduation announcement once I sneeze on stream, like actual sneeze, real one. There will be an immediate graduation announcement from Face Connect Official. That's the end of my career if I sneeze on stream. I always mute. If Iori sneezes on stream, it's the end of the world. Yes. It means I'll destroy the earth. Thank you for a generous sneeze, Redeem. Let me sneeze in 3, 2, 1. Excuse me.
Oh no,